Hey y'all, what's up? So today I am bringing you guys a Bobbi Boss unit from Wig Types. I'm super excited to be working with Wig Types again after all these years. I appreciate you for sponsoring this video. So let's go ahead and jump right into this new wig. All right, you guys, before we get started, let's shout out the subscriber of the day. Clap it up for the subscriber of the day, y'all. And if you would like to be the subscriber of the day, leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to respond back and pick out the one for the next video. Yeah, so this wig today is Bobbi Boss Glueless Lace Wig in style Aimee in color HL 613, 627. Y'all know I love me a good ombre blonde. Don't even play with your girl like that. I am the queen of ombre blondes and we got one for you today. This one looks like she's a nice short cropped unit. It's giving me, what was that wig back in the day that went so crazy all over YouTube? I can't remember the name. Dina. I think that was the name of the wig, but she's giving me that type of vibe. I loved the red in the picture, but I'm like, so many people probably already have shown the red on Instagram, on YouTube. So let me go ahead and show the blonde since I'm a blonde girl. I love me a good dark rooted ombre blonde, and sometimes it doesn't even have to be dark rooted. I'll get a blonde that's, you know, blonde from the roots, honey. I don't care. All right, so let's take a look at the parting space. Definitely looks decent here. The lace looks pretty gray, so I'm definitely gonna tint that. Let's look at the cap construction. 2 combs on either side. A comb in the back, adjustable straps. It's got a breathable spandex cap on the inside that looks really good. And it's got a lot of good parting space. So it's parted as a middle part, side part right now, but you definitely can do a middle part or different parting. Of course, you're gonna have to coax that part out of the side part into the middle part, but you can definitely do that with mousse and hairspray or a little bit of water. So it looks like maybe she's longer on the sides than she is in the back. So this one is definitely looking like it's going to be an everyday unit. Probably cute to wear to the office, especially in a 1B or a natural color like a 2. You could definitely get away with this being your everyday office wig, work wig. She's cute. So hopefully she holds up under pressure when we put her on. But right here on my hand, she's giving cute. If you like my bonnet, this is available on Amazon Prime. You can grab it off of Amazon. I'll leave a link down below, or you can also get it off of my personal website, GLEEmade.com. Support the kids, support the channel, you know, all that good stuff. Keep all this good content coming to y'all. Ooh, not me having a wig cap with a big old hole in it. We'll just turn that around. Okay. So I think we're all set to go with the wig cap. Let's go ahead and pop this wig on. Y'all don't mind me, I'm looking down at my phone. I got an Instacart order and my shopper is shopping right now while I'm trying to get this video done, while my husband is taking the kids to school. Like, it's a lot going on right now, but I'm here. I'm present with you all, but I'm a little bit distracted. Okay, I'm already loving that this wig is fitting around my ear literally perfectly. This is such a rare thing for me, for a wig to fit around my ear and my sideburns perfectly. Now I will say the lace is, the hair is pretty dense around the hairline on this side. So I could definitely do some plucking because it's pretty dense right here. But the color is pretty. No, this is giving me outre Carrie. This is giving me outre Carrie a little bit. I think that's the wig that this is reminding me of. I couldn't figure it out before, but yeah, I think this is outre Carrie. Okay, Bobbi Boss, come on with the cute little short curly. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it.